What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is part 3 of the Tailgate Alaska Festival video series, so let's do it. Welcome to Truckhouse Lap, baby. The Find My Drone feature was working and the battery died on the drone, so we lost it, but we think we have a visual on it. So Emily's gonna try to cut across, and it's not the most ideal spot to hang out, but this is where we need to be to get to where it is. So. Cool. These guys are dropping up here. Snow has been pretty good. I got myself a little ghost lap over there off to the right, but I didn't ski the steeper one because I'm not that good a snowboarder. More of a skier. I would totally ski this, but my leg's being a weirdo, so. Emily's poking up there. I think the drone is like right up there above that cliff band, so we'll see. She's on it. Emily's booting up to it. I cannot believe Emily is grabbing this for me. I feel super guilty. I definitely owe her at least, probably a 24 pack at least, let's say, her choice of beverage. Yeah, if it gets too sketchy, don't worry about it. It's like a vertical wall she's on. If you guys don't know Emily, she's an animal, if you can't tell. Like literally a wild animal. Oh my God, I think she's actually gonna get it. Holy crap. Oh. Woohoo! Whoa! Oh my God. You're an animal. I need to invest in a better drone. So that drone, it number one, it doesn't do any auto tracking, so I have to fly it to do anything. And there's no collision sensor or anything, so it just it'll hit anything. And if you're flying sideways and your eyes are on the subject, it's real easy to hit something flying sideways, which is what I did there. It's kind of a flying sideways along the cliff. Emily, the one ski pole wonder. Whoa! Got me. I can't believe you just got that. That looks crazy. Oh yeah. Oh my God, nice.
Triumph.
What?
It looks pretty unharmed.
Yeah, it's not even damaged. Nice. Crazy. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's the Em and Timmy special run here down to the base. We can actually kind of see now a little bit.
Sending her on Girls Mountain.
It is on Girls Mountain.
Girls just
But I'm a man.
Girls
All right.
just wanna have fun.
She's gonna be faster than me too because I can't snowboard. Whoa. Oh, this board is sweet, but I'm like a super intermediate snowboarder, so let's hope I can make this traverse. Whoa. Flat light's keeping it interesting. My legs are burning. Get over in that pow. I can't see anything. It's super flat light and I can't see. Oh! Oh, I was trying not to do that. Oh my God, I can't see anything. Like just going blind.
No, the snow's good though.
Yeah, it's great.
You don't like need to really see. Just I almost feel like you just close your eyes and see.
Yeah, just to feel it out.
Insane.
Can I have your hand? Oh, there we go. Oh God. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Oh, snowboarding is pretty fun. It has been a hot second. Honestly, I haven't snowboarded in like, this is the first time in a year and a half, pretty much. No, this is successful, I feel like, at this point, other than the steep part I'm going to have to figure out.
Like there's tracks going that way too.
Okay, yeah. Let's see what happens. Worst case, you know, I just, a little tomahawking.
You got it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm nervous. I haven't done anything steep at all on this board. Oh my God, that's steep for me. You know what though? We're just gonna go. I'm just gonna figure it out. A little bit of slough. I got a face full of snow. And the snow is absolutely all time out here. We're the only ones out here right now. Everyone else went back home. The light just popped again. I'm super stoked. That's the first time I've been able to ski or snowboard in about 2 years. I was able to make it all the way down from up there. So super grateful. We're gonna go cruise up here and have a little beer on the glacier. So nice.
It was so nice.
Oh, superhero style up here. Yeah, that's super covered. I feel like, I mean, there's some bumps and stuff, but
you know, the thing is, I already like aqua sealed it and like sewed it, and it like ripped again.
You gonna have one of the most delicious fruit snacks you've ever had in your life. You had those?
These, yeah.
Oh my god, those things are like crack.
Whoa, passion fruit.
Yeah,
Wow.
they only have 28 in the big pack when you get it, but it's like I could eat all 28 like right now.
Healthy gummy bears.
Yeah, totally. What a day. I'm just super stoked, super grateful to be here. One of the most beautiful places in the world. Oh no, I'll always travel, but man, this is home.
Light is so good.
I know. Like the onesie, man.
Yeah, it's a,
nice.
You got it for 40 bucks.
Oh, I'm sure it's extra torn up by now. Is that Greg in the unicorn suit?
No, dude.
No.
No, I have a very similar unicorn.
Oh yeah.
Mine has wings, but theirs has wings too. Mine is gold wings, they have pink wings.
That's better. This is, I think this is like the final thing on the list where you can say you've seen it all.
What's happening?
I think you know what's
Are
happening.
you GoProing it?
Oh, totally.
Okay, good.
It just happened to be on. That would be extra creative. Yeah, yeah.
Let me put his skis on.
You guys going up the top of the gully?
Yeah, I was going to pull them up.
Yeah, just like this.
Yeah, totally, yeah. Good. It'll probably make you go faster. Home sweet home. How you doing, dude?
I'm doing
What's going
good.
on?
I'm doing
Yeah.
great, man. I can't complain at all.
Yeah. You guys, this Dustin here, he throws the whole shebang. This is the man that brings all the people together.
Couldn't do it without people like you, Timmy.
Oh, you could, but you know.
I could.
Yeah.
It'd be worse.
Ooh, it's a lot of ice. Just want to give a shout out to OGSO for the split board. This thing is awesome. It's the first split board I've owned from this, actually ever. Pretty legit. I haven't snowboarded in 2 years from a back injury. So, maybe 2.5 years actually from the snowboard. So, this thing's making me feel pretty confident again. Feeling good about it.
Cherry on top.
Oh god. All right. See if he can still do it. Emily's bombing. If I was on skis, I'd feel a lot more confident, but you know what? It's fun trying new stuff again. Getting on a snowboard and just kind of going for it. Having to reteach myself everything. Snow is pretty good. I haven't really snowboarded on powder much. I used to teach like jumping and park camps like forever ago, like 20 years ago. It's pretty good over here still. This board is legit. Feels good. Feels like butter.
I'm off my gloves, so I'm gonna need to find them. Oh, here we go.
Gloves, oh yeah.
And you know?
Yeah.
Just a little ride, make
Little
sure
check out. Yeah, I caught.
okay.
Usually a good thing to know where you're going. Help you if you need it. Yeah. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my videos. Peace, y'all.